Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be completely organizing and going through my entire closet. So basically what happened was my family moved in November and my closet got significantly smaller when we moved, and I just moved home from college, so I also brought all of my clothes from school home and they literally don't fit. Like, I don't have enough room. Let me show you what we've got going on here, what we're working with. So this is currently my closet. Nothing else will fit in here at all. This is completely full, and then all of my shoes are down there. I don't know if you can see, but they're all just scattered around. I have this shoe organizer thing that I'm going to hang up once I have enough room. Also, I'm going to try to go through all of these drawers. So I have 6 drawers over here and then 4 over here full of clothes that I'm going to go through, and I also have this box full of clothes that I'm going to go through. Normally when I clean out my closet, I don't take everything out, but this time I'm literally going to take it all out and put it on my bed, and we'll see how that goes.
We all wanna be a little stronger. Each fall takes a piece out of our hearts.
So this is what we've got going on. I think I'm just going to make 2 piles. One to keep, one to get rid of. Really simple. Let's go, I guess. I think I'm going to change into shorts because I'm already dying in leggings. So I realize that I'm extremely indecisive, so I'm going to make 3 piles. Keep, get rid of, and maybe. Maybe meaning that I need to try it on to know if I still want it or not. I have literally 2 cameras going, so this is a high production, high quality. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up now for real, and we're gonna do this. Okay, let's go.
So I'll run away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go.
Looks like one of those jump rope scarves. You know what I'm talking about? From the 2000s. This is terrible. I don't know why I still have this. It's a crop top. It has bows in the back. That makes me nauseous.
Never gonna let you go until we're both those souls running out for love. You were there with open arms when I thought love was a lost art.
No, thank you. This is the ugliest color. I would not wear this now. That's not helpful. Have to keep this. Love it.
When I thought love was a lost art.
I'm done with my closet. I have a bag here to get rid of, and then I still have a pile of maybe clothes that I'm going to go through later, but right now I'm going to go through my drawers, and I'm going to move the camera to a different spot, and I'm going to sit on my bed because I'm exhausted and I've been standing for a long time.
Empty halls, running with my eyes shut.
Okay, so I took everything out of my dresser, the one I showed you with the mirror. I don't know why I'm sitting like this. I'm so tired. But I have everything. I have pajamas, shorts, swimsuits, t-shirts, so many tank tops. So I'm going to go through all of this and see what I find.
I'm not sure I can get up, so I'll find a way to stand until the light of day. I need a change desperately.
I have another pile of clothes here to get rid of, so that's good. I'm gonna try to refold everything and fold them in a new way, the Marie Kondo way, because she really knows what she's doing. Okay, now I'm gonna go through these drawers. What is this? I don't even know. That's all leggings. These 2 are jeans, and that's underwear, socks, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go through all of this now, and then The last thing I'll have to go through is just this box, which is mostly new stuff that just needs to be like washed by itself. So that's what I'm doing. We have our maybe pile, which is kind of growing.
Till you show me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go. Never gonna let you go.
This is all that I'm keeping from all of my drawers, which looks like a lot, but it's honestly not. Like, this is all just pajamas and like tank tops, and we have shorts and a couple swimsuits. I do have a basket here full of clean clothes though, so we'll get to that in a minute.
20 minutes later.
Hey guys, how's it going? I'm a mess. I took a break and laid on my bed amongst this mess for way too long. So now, I need to put these back in my closet. So what I'm going to do is grab these special hangers in this box, and I'll show you how they work, but I'm going to put them all in my closet so I can like organize everything. I have these hangers here. They're super fancy. You hang them up and then you hang your clothes on these.
If I slowly retrace, I remember.
So basically, tutorial time. You hang your clothes up, you bring this down, and there you go. You have all of this extra room. It's amazing.
And all the wild shades swim in my veins. You took them all.
This is forcing me to reevaluate like my choices, and I'm getting rid of more things. So that's good. This is gonna go.
There's nothing left to say. I thought I was a lost art till you show me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go. Never gonna let you go.
Okay, all of my for sure keeping things are hung back up. I have a lot more room. As you can see, I have a ton of room here. I have a ton of room here. These hangers are a lifesaver. Right now, what I'm going to do is actually just go ahead and go through that box over there.
When I thought I was a lost
That was easier than I thought it would be. All of the things that I need to wash by themselves are now in this box right here. We condensed it a lot. Also, summer clothing haul coming very soon because all of this is brand new. So, yee. Decided that my maybe pile, which is still right here, will come last. Right now, I'm going to work on folding all of this. This is like jeans and like shorts, swimsuits, tank tops. Okay guys, it is quite a while later. I have done so much. I'm pretty much done. The only thing I need to do is like do my shoes and like organize my shoes in my closet. So I think I'm going to do that. I also have a bunch of hangers right here that I just need to like deal with. I went through that giant pile of clothes that were like maybe, and I got rid of most of them. I would say I kept maybe like 3 or 4 things in that pile. So I'm going to deal with my shoes, and then I will show you the like final reveal. There's no rhyme or reason to this. They're everywhere. I do have this like rack. Well, this isn't a rack. This is like a stand. I think I'm just going to keep like a nicer like heels here. I don't have that many heels actually, but probably just leave those there. I can't really put anything on the top. On the bottom there, I just have a whole bunch of sandals. I know it's super dark over here and it's hard to see. So yeah, and then I have, as I showed you earlier, this like shoe rack compartment thing, which is really hard to show you right now, but I'm going to hang that up and organize my shoes. I actually just bought a pair of shoes like 2 hours ago, so that's good. I couldn't resist. They were only $10, right?
I wanna be a little stronger. Each fall takes a piece out of our hearts. So I'll run away into the dark.
Shoes are done. Now I think I'm just going to go ahead and do like the final reveal. Closet. We have like super nice dresses back here for like super special occasions. Then I put all of, well, most of my shoes. I have like some nice sandals up here and like some, what are these? Like my Adidas. Here I have rompers and dresses, and then this is a whole bunch of just random like summer clothes, like really casual things that I didn't have room for on these hangers. This is like nice summer clothes, more like really casual tops. These are nicer tops again, and then we move on to long sleeves sweatshirts and like some nicer long sleeve shirts. I have cardigans. Drawers are looking honestly amazing, which is why I might move some things over here. This is my tank top drawer. I have so much room. And then we have t-shirts or like pajama shirts, pajama pants, which need some work for sure, but I love my pajama pants. Okay, empty drawer, perfect. Shorts. These are all like denim shorts, like workout shorts. And then here I have skirts. I have my denim skirt. I have a swimsuit cover up, all of my like two-piece swimsuits, some tights, a two-piece set. These are all jeans, like distressed jeans, just pretty casual. These are like my nicer pants, which I have a lot of room in here. Down here is like workout clothes. I have leggings, pink leggings, whatever, sweatpants, yoga pants. I'm looking like a mess. Ignore that. So I think I'm going to end this video here. I'm not completely done, but like I said, this video is getting long, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here. You will see everything in my room tour, which will be coming this summer, maybe like June or July. I'm not sure yet. Next video is going to be going through my makeup, so that'll be fun. So make sure to subscribe so you can see this when it's like completely done. I did what I needed to do. Like, I went through my closet, got rid of so many clothes. I put them all like out in the hallway so they would be out of my way, but yeah, I know it doesn't look like I did a lot since my closet is still pretty full, but I do have a lot of extra drawer space and all of these hangers, so that's a good sign. Anyway, make sure to subscribe for more videos. I'm uploading 3 times a week this summer. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm doing a ton of giveaways over there and like IGTV and stuff this summer. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm gonna go like collapse now, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.